Sylvonette sent me this electric foam sprayer for my review, and I just filled it up. I haven't used it at all. It does come with a really cool chamois, like literally I could put my hand in there. But the really nice thing about this is that one button, it is rechargeable, so there's no hoses, there's no electrical cables, nothing at all. 4,500 milliampere battery in there, so it is rechargeable. It's actually pretty light. Obviously, this is a huge capacity, 2 liters of water in here, and a little bit of soap, of course. Comes with a little kind of a soap measuring cup, so you make sure that you've got the right amount of soap, and you've got that water line right here. Right now, we've got about 1.5 liters of water and soap. And all you do, this is the power button, all you do is double tap to turn it on and just tap again to turn it off. We're gonna see how this goes. Yeah, let's try it out. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is easy. I mean, come on. And look at that on the tires. Look how easy it is. Oh yeah, this is perfect. And then I press once and it stopped. And then of course I can wash, make sure that everything is clean. And this, yeah, I'm gonna do some more. This is super fun. I didn't think it'd be just so foamy and so easy to use. Look at that. Yeah, definitely a big fan of that. This is going to be so easy to just wash the cars without having to bring everything out. Then I just use my little chamois here, start cleaning the car. Look at that, it is already perfect. And then all I need to do is rinse it down. Awesome.